there and swish it around.
Ooh, yeah.
Up on this side.
Just come on, let's just go. Let's just get it done.
In there and swish it around.
Nah, come on, this is bad enough.
All right.
Yeah, if you want it really cold, you can sign up for it if you.
Lifting is only a problem. Just
Hold on.
You gotta. Should I stand or sit? Which is easier?
sit. You got that side.
Okay, let me. All right, hold on.
Does anybody want to say anything before?
Well, Ted has to say something.
Oh, you do?
I get to.
Okay, quiet.
And I'm itchy to do this.
All right, quiet.
I know. You're waiting for the Windows Phone to reboot.
No, I'm. You know the best part is I get to edit this too.
Hey, Rocky. Get ready.
Wait.
Here comes more
Yeah, I was gonna say. Once the announcement started.
All right, I'm doing the.
Make sure you record this.
Yeah, I'm recording this.
We got recording.
Somebody recording this?
I'm recording it.
We have 2 so far.
Should we get a real phone in there?
See, I'm not the only
There's
one.
already one.
All right.
By a real phone, you mean a real?
All right, everybody be quiet. Let's go. All
Camera action.
right, go,
Ready?
Ted.
All right. My name is Ted Neward, and I was called out to do the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge by my friend, Harry Pearson. According to the rules of the challenge, I get to call out 3 other people. So I'm going to call out my sister, JJ Neward. I'm going to call out my my friend, Mark Richards. And I'm going to call out, let's see, who should I do for the third?
Brian Randall.
No, not Brian Randall, because he lives in LA and it's illegal down there now because, you know, California and all.
It actually would be with the drought.
Yeah, exactly. I will call out my son, who's about to dunk this on me. Matthew
Awesome.
Neward. And the deal is that anybody present at this who pays $5 for the privilege of watching this will, I will match that donation. So, all right, gentlemen, anytime you're ready.
You take Bitcoin?
1, 2, 3. Holy fuck! Let's go. Whoa! Excuse me, I'm gonna go sit in the hot tub now. Woo! Woo!
Good job.
Do
I
this.
some of myself, so there. I did the challenge myself.
You got $2 worth.
That's it.
All right.
Oh man.
Good job.
Good job, Ted.